One sunny morning, Jazzy the frog and Wiggle the worm met in a vibrant garden full of colorful flowers and buzzing bees. Ready for an adventure? Jazzy asked with a twinkle in his eye. Wiggle wiggled with excitement, and off they went. First, Jazzy and Wiggle hopped onto the lily pads floating in the pond. Each bounce sent ripples through the water, making them giggle with delight. Jazzy leapt high, while Wiggle bounced carefully beside him. Next, they found rainbow vines hanging from the trees. Jazzy slid down with a whoosh, and Wiggle followed, laughing all the way. The rainbow colors sparkled in the sunlight as they glided through the air. In the heart of the garden, they met friendly garden gnomes busy planting magical seeds. The gnomes waved and invited Jazzy and Wiggle to join in. Together, they planted seeds that glowed and sparkled in the soil. To their amazement, the seeds began to glow and grow into magical flowers. Each bloom had sparkling petals and a sweet scent. Jazzy and Wiggle marveled at the beautiful garden they had helped create. A friendly ladybug landed on Jazzy's nose. "Hello there," she said. "Would you like to join us for a tea party?" Jazzy and Wiggle happily accepted and followed the ladybug to a cozy picnic spot. At the tea party, Jazzy and Wiggle enjoyed tiny cups of tea, cakes, and fruit. They chatted and laughed with their new insect friends, making the afternoon delightful and fun. As the sun began to set, magical fireflies appeared, lighting up the garden with their glowing dance. Jazzy and Wiggle watched in awe as the fireflies created beautiful patterns in the night sky. Jazzy and Wiggle then discovered an enchanted treehouse high in the branches. It was filled with twinkling lights and cozy cushions. They climbed up and explored, feeling like they were in a magical dream. As night fell and the stars began to twinkle, Jazzy and Wiggle made their way home. They waved goodbye to their new friends and walked back through the garden, their hearts full of joy and their minds full of wonderful memories.